The third way, become a public speaker online. Why I'm dividing the online and offline speaking? Because it's very easy to become an online speaker. There are plenty of opportunities which will allow you to communicate with different summits, with different conferences, and you can just simply start publishing your live videos. So public speaking online is a very easy way to promote your ideas, to speak in different groups, and to attract people from these groups, from these already established communities. But you need to have some learning curve unless you already know how to be a public speaker. You really need to learn how to refine your thoughts, how to articulate your thoughts in such a way that people will listen to them and enjoy them. Also, you need to know how to manage your energy and work on this energy so that this will attract people, and you will learn how to communicate and manipulate the public so that it will work in your direction. Now, when you do it online, it's almost impossible many times, because if you don't have direct feedback, like let's say in Zoom meeting, it's really difficult to know what people truly think. So that's why when you are a public speaker online, you need to focus on articulation of your ideas and connecting with more people so that eventually you can become an offline public speaker, which is really important and a powerful way to grow your personal brand.